Hello everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets for Wednesday the 18th of June. I'm going to move on to Euro dollar now, and the Euro, as has happened yesterday, continues to remain under this big overhead resistance at 35.85 that capped the moves in the last few days really, and it still remains that big overhead supply from this old trading band that we saw a few weeks back. And it looks like that's going to continue, I think, throughout the day today. You've got this big FOMC meeting, and I don't think there's any real likelihood that we're going to see a breakout before that meeting announcement. In terms of momentum indicators, everything remains pretty much in bearish configuration on the MACD lines, stochastics, and also the RSI. So it would suggest that we're going to see further weakness in this Euro chart ultimately, and pressure on that 35 big figure mark, and then back towards that key January low of 34.75. Now, in terms of intraday, as I said, this is the past few days on the hourly chart. We've seen a couple of attempts in each of the past few days to have a challenge of that 35.85 mark, and that's failed. Yesterday's attempt being the latest one, so you'd certainly say that there is a big resistance band around there. Slight move up in the last few minutes, but nothing really to get the pulses racing, I don't think, on that euro yet. And all these moving averages are pretty flat, and the momentum indicator is also pretty flat, so it just doesn't really bode all that well for too much action today in front of this Fed meeting. And I think this Fed meeting could ultimately then provide a bit of the next driving force behind this euro chart. If any sort of hawkish leaning by the Fed could would, you'd imagine, put pressure on that 35 big figure mark, and then down onto the downside as well. So I think that is ultimately what we're going to be seeing, and certainly selling into strength appears to be the only real way you can play the euro at the moment. So that continues to be my outlook. Anyway, as I said, that Fed meeting gets announced at 7 o'clock this evening UK time, and don't forget, that could be rather a volatile time. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on euro dollar today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.